Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics, and in this video we are going to learn how to log in to your first bank account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now at the address bar type in efirstbank.com and click on enter. After that, at the left side you can see a small box where you can type in your user ID and password. After typing in your user ID and password, click on Login button to log into your first bank account. Toggle this button if you want to remember your user ID on this website. If you have forgotten your password, click on this link and follow the instructions to reset it. Also, if you want to log into your business account, click on this button and the login page will appear. Now you can type in your business account ID and password and click on login button to get logged in. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.